Toyota, value is always perceived in waste. Hence, this park is aptly named the Value Theme Park. It is dedicated to highlighting the importance and key issues of waste management in society and industry. Inside the park, we showcase different ways of rural and urban waste management. The theme park is designed based on the concept of 6 R's, or better known as the 6 principles of sustainability. These are refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, refine, and regenerate. Dry waste is managed by implementing the 6R principles, whereas wet waste is converted into compost and biogas. With the practice of segregation at source developed as part of Toyota's culture, we have been able to achieve 96% recycling-based operations. By exploring effective solutions that create value out of waste, the park showcases ways of moving towards becoming a zero-waste society. With this theme park, we hope to create a platform that triggers discussions to evolve effective solutions for waste management.
What about last benchers? What about last benchers? No. I mean, you did not deliberately choose that. You just sat there. That's it. What about, okay, ladies from this side? Anybody? Volunteers? Yes, madam. Tell me. Musical intelligence is your dominant. Fantastic. How do you say so? How do you say so?